How can I avoid undercooked chicken?
Hello, food lovers. Today, we're going to tackle a common kitchen conundrum: how to avoid undercooked chicken. Eating undercooked chicken can lead to foodborne illness, so let's make sure you're cooking it right.
Understand safe chicken temperatures.
First and foremost, it's vital to understand the recommended safe internal temperature for cooked chicken. According to the U.S. Food Safety and Inspection Service, chicken should reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, to kill any potential bacteria. This applies to all parts of the chicken, including breasts, thighs, wings, and ground poultry.
Use a meat thermometer.
The most reliable way to check if your chicken is cooked thoroughly is by using a meat thermometer. Here's how to do it right. 1. Insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the chicken, without touching the bone. 2. Wait for the thermometer to give a reading. It should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. 3. If the temperature is below this, continue cooking. Remember, color and texture are not surefire indicators of properly cooked chicken. Only temperature can confirm it.
Cook chicken evenly.
Even cooking is crucial to avoid undercooked chicken. Here are a few tips. 1. If you're cooking a whole bird, truss it. This helps it cook evenly. 2. For chicken pieces, make sure they are of a similar size. If they're not, smaller pieces could become overcooked while larger pieces might still be undercooked. 3. Rotate or flip your chicken halfway through the cooking process, especially when grilling or roasting.
Let it rest.
Finally, after you've cooked your chicken and confirmed it's reached the correct internal temperature, let it rest for a few minutes before cutting into it. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping your chicken moist and delicious. So, there you have it. By understanding safe chicken temperatures, using a meat thermometer, cooking your chicken evenly, and letting it rest after cooking, you can ensure perfectly cooked chicken every time. Say goodbye to undercooked chicken and hello to safe, tasty meals. Happy cooking!